Hey there, welcome to our video on field service management in space. In this video, we'll be discussing how NASA manages repairs on the International Space Station, ISS. As you know, field service management is critical for any industry, but it becomes even more challenging when you're in space. So, let's explore how NASA handles this unique situation. First, let's take a look at how astronauts perform field service in space. Astronauts are trained in multiple disciplines, including engineering and mechanics, to help them identify and troubleshoot issues with the equipment on the ISS. They also have specialized tools and equipment designed specifically for space use. These tools are often tethered to the astronauts to prevent them from floating away. However, performing field service in space has its own challenges. One of the most significant challenges is the lack of gravity. In a zero-gravity environment, keeping tools and equipment from floating away is challenging. Additionally, working in a spacesuit can be physically demanding and restrictive. Therefore, astronauts must be in excellent physical shape and have extensive training. To overcome these challenges, NASA has developed specialized techniques for field service repairs in space. For instance, they use a void system to capture and contain small objects that could float away during repairs. They also use various techniques to stabilize themselves and their equipment, such as using foot restraints or handholds. Another challenge is the limited space on the ISS, which makes it challenging to maneuver equipment and carry out repairs. To tackle these challenges, NASA has developed specialized equipment and techniques for performing repairs in space. For example, they use a system called the tool caddy that attaches to the astronaut's spacesuit and holds tools and equipment securely in place. NASA also uses technology to help with repairs in space. For example, they use 3D printing to create replacement parts for equipment that is not easily replaceable in space. This reduces the need for resupply missions and makes repairs faster and more efficient. Another technology NASA uses is the Robotic Refueling Mission, RRM, which is a robotic system that can perform refueling tasks on satellites. The RRM can help extend the life of satellites by refueling them in orbit, reducing the need for costly and risky servicing missions. Furthermore, NASA is also exploring the use of virtual reality, VR, to train astronauts for repairs in space. VR allows astronauts to practice repairs in a simulated environment, which can help them prepare for the challenges they will face in space. The future of field service in space looks promising with the advancement of technology. NASA is exploring the use of augmented reality, AR, to assist astronauts in performing repairs. With AR, astronauts can access information and instructions hands-free, which will make their work more efficient and safer. Field service management in space is a unique and challenging task, but NASA has developed specialized techniques and equipment to overcome these challenges. From specialized tools to robots and AR, NASA is always pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space. We hope this video has given you a good overview of how field service management works in space. Thanks for watching.